This is the entrance to Blackheath Glen Reserve in Megalong Valley. Down by the creek here there are lots of campsites and picnic areas, and I guess that's an overflow area up there. This is the causeway across to the picnic area on the other side of the creek. Lots of people enjoying the place. This is the Blackheath Glen picnic and camping area on the Megalong Valley Road. On this side of the creek you've seen the camping spots, and on the other side over there are a number of level areas that have been developed as well. It's an old sawmill site, and there was a dam across the creek. I suspect that's it down there now.